am Club, and today we are going to make a boy baby.
A baby boy, a cutie pie baby boy. So, how do we start?
Not a boy.
Start with the face.
Yes, full circular and very small thing, like a little ant.
And see,
Four little eyes. Right, Papa?
no, first we are covering the face with the babies. Okay,
Papa, can you try to do this?
you can do every.
Papa, I'll see what the mistake is.
It's okay.
No. I don't know anything.
And and the small ears and the diaper body and the legs. So easy.
Papa,
Yes.
are we making a boy?
Yes.
Papa, your boy will start like a baby only. Okay, mine.
Very good.
Mine looks like a baby.
Okay. The eyes are done, the hands are done, and the face is done. And now we will quickly,
So we are going to start in the same time.
okay, color it. Last color. Let's start coloring. Yeah. Now we use the skin color to color the face.
Papa,
Yes.
I've got robotic speed hand. Yeah. In my hand. And your hand is in my hand. Sorry, in the store.
You left your hand to the showroom. Let's go and find it out.
I have put on robotic hand. Papa, see my hand. Ah! My hand. First time my papa drawing has been dirty. Yes, now Papa? First time. Mine is dirty.
And now we use the sky blue color to color the baby's shoes.
And his diaper. Diaper again.
We color it like this.
Papa,
Yes. And we color the cap.
oh, we need a cap. I'm done. And I finished this thing also.
That is a cute little baby drawing. So are we learning very easy step-by-step drawings with Parikshit and Kids for Nanda? So are you guys enjoying the drawings? Are you enjoying?
Yes.
I'm enjoying and having a lot of fun. Do let us know if you are having fun, and don't forget to